Here's a fix I found for when you plug in your SD card from your DJI drone and it doesn't show up. I've been having this issue. It wasn't showing up for 3 of my cards. This is a fix I found. Go into your search for disk management. So this is a card that's not showing up. It's a 128 gig SanDisk card. Click here, right click here, change drive letter, add, and assign it a letter. This is what worked for me. Hopefully it works for you guys. Great, now it's not working. Okay, there we go. I just had to take the card out and put it back in. So now I can access all my footage.